I'm Holly Hazard here at the Humane Society of the United States, and I work to protect horses from abuse and slaughter. There are always some cases and some individuals that really touch us deeply, and the story of Thistle is one such case. I know that Thistle came into this world somewhere on a spectacular mountain range somewhere in the West. Eventually he ended up at the now notorious Three Strikes Ranch in Nebraska, where over 200 horses were found by the Animal Rescue Team. When our professional staff arrived on the scene, they witnessed many horses who weren't as lucky as Thistle. He was sad, scared, but had soulful eyes. He was, understandably, very skittish around people. To go out to that ranch and see neglect, starvation, and in many cases, death, it makes you question how anyone could do this to any animal. We transported the horses to our Cleveland Amory Black Beauty Ranch Animal Sanctuary in Texas, where our professional staff began bringing these animals back to health from near starvation. Luckily for Thistle, he was found a great family, and he has now been adopted out into a home in Oklahoma. He's a symbol for us of what the possibilities really are when there are people out there who care and recognize the special connection that we have with them, the spirit that they have, the trust that they have in humans. To take that away from an animal is really almost a violation of the human spirit. Thousands of animals, just like Thistle, are counting on you to be rescued from suffering in 2010. Please make your tax-deductible gift to the 2010 Animal Survivors Fund today.